How to remove background of any photo using Capcut app. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can remove the background of any photo in Capcut. So let's dive in. First, open your Capcut app and then open the project that you want to work on. And now you have to just choose the video that you want to remove the background from. And once you click the video, you have to just come to this bar and then you have to just slide it to the right side, and here you'll find this remove background option. You have to simply click this option and then it's going to bring you to this menu where you have these three options, and you have to simply click auto removal over here. And then you have to just click this tick. Once the background has been removed, click this tick, and you can see I have used Capcut to remove the background of this very photo. And now I can just export it by clicking this option on the top right corner. And that's the process that you can follow to remove the background of any photo in Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.